You okay, buddy?
Natasha is the type of person that'll put stuff in your daughter's head and make her believe it. And my daughter have even said that.
She don't have to make anybody believe anything. I heard you loud and clear.
You okay?
Give me socks.